time I get down there, they're off.
Looks like they're going to be able to. Oh, looks like everyone's stopping over there.
I got it, okay. Forward one stroke.
One side.
Take a break.
Oh, yeah. I'll get them.
Tell them to go on the left side. Let's go, hold tight, hold tight. This is good practice for the rookies right here.
Oh, sure, I gotta get a rock coming. Breathe yourself.
A little bounce, heads up. More than a little.
He's up. Slowly but
I
surely.
got two rookies up there that better figure out how to get them off.
Well, you gotta learn somehow, huh?
At least get them off the rock.
Let's see.
Let's go forward nice and easy.
Forward?
Are they both rookies?
Yep.
Those are both rookies, yeah.
Looks like they got it.
Just take a break for a second.
There they go. At least now it's still up.
Come on down, guys. Keep following them. From here on out, work as a team and pick and choose your lines from here on out. But you want to
end up. See red light going?
Here in a few minutes,
Okay,
you'll see Andy out in the middle of the river. You want to end up just to
That's
the
the only
left
thing,
of.
is I always have a hard time hearing that. I just have to
Right
ask.
now you're about halfway through the rock garden.
Like a red blinking.
Yeah. That shows that it's going.
Over here, guys. Paddle hard. Doinking off rocks.
Yeah.
Hey, Dave, send him that way. Just keep him going that way. That's a group of 2 and 3 that I hodgepodge together there. You know, they're probably just not on the same page and not communicating well together.
When you get a lot of people that don't, when you're learning to paddle for the first time also, it can be a little bit different. You know, I've learned that.
Alright guys, my crew, let's get forward nice and easy. Gang, just take a break for a minute. Let's go forward nice and easy. Beautiful, take a break. Hold tight, I want to see what's going on with these guys.
No. There they go.
Forward twice, once, take a break.
Ah. Yeah, I swam through your entrance one time and all that, those bottom rocks. They hurt. You never underestimate any of these things. I learned that last couple days ago.
forward nice and easy. Take a break. Be ready. Once we get to Andy, I'm going to turn the boat to the right, and we're going to start down this rapid. I'm going to try to put us on a perfect line. When I yell brace yourselves, brace yourselves. You ready to paddle?
Ready?
All right, guys, let's go forward. Left back one time. Left side back. Beautiful. Let's go forward.
Woo!
Yeah. Brace yourselves. How about that, hey guys?
High
Take a break.
five.
Paddle high five, Dad.
Hey, everyone.
Take a break. Paddle high five.
That is a
Great
beauty.
hit right there.
Woo! Yeah, give me a do-over. Go backwards. We go upstream. I don't know what the word is. Where's your second one? You hit that second one straight on.
Nick, you better get in place.
Woo.
Hey guys, let's go forward nice and easy. All right, take a break.
I'm just keeping this on. We're going right in the river then anyway.
Let's go forward one time. Take a break. Take a break. Hey guys, let's make it easy. At Dimple, we made a sharp right-hand turn in front of the rock. Now we're making a sharp left-hand turn behind the rock that Nitro's sitting on. I like to get as close to that rock on the left as I can. It'll take you out towards, it'll shoot you right towards the left. Rapid's easy. Try to stay in the boat for this one too. There's a rock called Cheese Grater. Nobody wants to body surf the Cheese Grater. Capiche? All right. I see some looks of horror. Come on, follow me, you guys. Let's go forward nice and easy. Follow me, you guys. Get close to that rock on the left. Just take a break for 1 second. Hey Nitro, you got the radio? Nitro, you got the radio? Radio? Don't forget to call. Let's go forward one time. Don't forget to call. Forward, nice and easy.
Forward, guys.
Okay guys, let's go forward aggressively.
Forward.
Be aggressive, be aggressive. We got it, take a break. Alright, as are in it.
Yeah.
Okay guys, get ready. I'm going to head to the right of this rock. Let's go forward. Very nicely done. Take a break.
Good.